Hello, I'm Amanda with Restoration Roofing. I am the accounting and office manager here. Normally I'm behind the scenes and never in front of the camera, but today's actually a special day for me. It's Veterans Day and I'm a veteran. I was a teenager when the Twin Towers went down. I watched it on the news and I wasn't exactly sure what was happening, but I knew it was something big and I knew it was something that I wanted to be a part of. So I joined the Army, 17 years old, went in support of Operation Iraqi Freedom, deployed to Iraq, stayed in for 5 years. And when I got out, one of the biggest things that I took with me, two big things that I took with me, was my love of numbers and the Army core values. And that's very big for transitioning into the civilian world, is the Army core values. It's loyalty, duty, respect, selfless service, honor, integrity, and personal courage. So I knew when I was transitioning out that it was going to be difficult to find in the civilian world something that went by all of those values and had all of it in one, plus my love of numbers. But I did when I started working for Restoration Roofing. I realized really early on that they held all of these same core values, so it was very easy to fit in with my transition as a veteran into the civilian world. And I tell this to my customers all the time too. There's so many local roofers. There's so many roofers everywhere. But what you're looking for is you want somebody, and any of these project managers, they all can tell you about the same shingles. We all sell the same product, but you're looking for an experience. And you want a company that has these values, that carries this, that has integrity, that has a sense of duty and obligation to you to finish you through and make sure that everything is good to go on your job and you're 100% satisfied. You also want somebody that's going to be loyal to the job and be honest and respect your home. So this was very big for me, and why I've chose to stay with Restoration Roofing, and while I'll continue to stay with Restoration Roofing. I appreciate the opportunities that I've had at this company. They've welcomed me as a veteran. It's very hard for veterans to transition and feel like they're a part of the civilian world. But when I found Restoration Roofing, I could have never picked a better company because they valued the same values that were ingrained in me. Give us a call today. Happy Veterans Day to my brothers and sisters in arms, and have a great day.